I used to open my chemistry textbook and my brain would just shut down. Too many formulas, too many equations. Nothing made sense. But then something changed. Now I finish entire chapters in one sitting. I remember formulas without cramming. I actually understand how things work. And the crazy part? It's not magic. It's just how your brain is designed to learn. Stop studying like a student. Chemistry isn't about memorizing endless facts. It's about recognizing patterns. Physical chemistry is logic and math. You solve problems like equations. Organic chemistry is structure and connections. Everything links together. Inorganic chemistry is trends and relationships. Look at the periodic table and you see the system. Each section needs a different approach. Use the right strategy and suddenly chemistry clicks. The focus loop, 25 minutes to mastery. Forget reading textbooks. That's not studying. That's just staring at pages. Here's what actually works. Step 1. Watch a 10-minute YouTube explanation or your teacher's notes. Get the overview. Step 2. Close the book. Write down what you just learned in your own words. Step 3. Immediately solve 2 to 3 practice problems. Real problems, not just reading examples. Step 4. Speak the concept out loud like you're explaining it to someone else. That's one complete cycle. Takes about 25 minutes. Do this 4 times and you've got deep understanding. This beats passive reading by 10x. Work backward from the exam. Most students study randomly. You're going to be smarter. Look at past exam papers. What topics appear most often? Those are your priority. Study the questions first, then learn the concepts needed to answer them. This flips the normal approach, but it works because you're focusing on what actually matters. Stack chemistry with your habits. Studying feels boring because you treat it like a separate task. Don't. Study one concept while you have tea. Review flashcards after brushing your teeth. Solve problems before opening social media. You're not adding study time, you're replacing dead time with learning. Your brain starts seeing chemistry as part of your day, not something you have to force yourself to do. Organic chemistry. It's a puzzle, not random. Everyone dreads organic chemistry, but it's actually the most logical section. Don't memorize reaction names. Instead, master these 4 fundamentals. 1. Nucleophiles if electrophiles, what attacks what. 2. SN1 versus SN2, how reactions happen at different speeds. 3. Reaction sequences, how alcohol becomes aldehyde becomes acid. 4. Functional group transformations, the map of everything. Create one visual map where every reaction connects. Now you can predict reactions instead of memorizing them. Physical chemistry. Understand, don't just memorize. Don't just copy down formulas. Derive them once. That one act anchors them into your memory. Practice unit conversions obsessively. Most mistakes aren't from wrong concepts, they're from wrong units. After every practice test, write down what went wrong and why. Track patterns in your mistakes. Fix them before the real exam. Remember everything without effort. Use a 3P system for formulas. First, understand the pattern behind it. Second, solve 3 problems with it. Third, connect it to something visual or weird so you'll never forget. Example, Avogadro's number equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd equals, imagine 6 Avengers eating tacos at 10:23 p.m. Weird equals memorable. For complex mechanisms, use memory palaces. Assign reactions to rooms in your house. Walk through mentally. Your brain retrieves information as you visualize. Don't just reread your notes. Instead, close the book and try to write down what you remember. Check after, repeat 3 times. This simple habit is 10x more effective than highlighting. Your brain needs setup. A tired brain takes 5 hours for what a sharp brain does in 45 minutes. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. You literally consolidate formulas while you sleep. Eat brain food, eggs, bananas, nuts. Study during your peak hours. For most people, that's early morning or evening. Use the 25-minute focus block method. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, repeat. Mock tests are your secret weapon. Don't take mock tests to grade yourself. Take them to train yourself. Do one every week. Time yourself like it's the real exam. Review every mistake. Keep a mistake bank. Each test shows you what will trip you up on exam day. That's invaluable. Once you use these methods, chemistry stops feeling like memorization and starts feeling like solving a puzzle. People will ask how you study so fast, how you remember everything. You'll just smile because you know the secret. It's not magic, it's just neuroscience. Drop a comment below. Let me know which method you're trying first. Subscribe if you want to master chemistry and actually enjoy it. Until then, study smart, not hard.